Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. Will you help? You will? Great! Okay, so, we're trying to figure out what Maggie needs to feel better, and their clues are a bowl, a spoon, and fruit. So what could Maggie need to feel better with the bowl, with the spoon, a bowl, and fruit? Well, maybe if you put the fruit in a bowl, what would that be? Yeah, fruit. So maybe it's something that does. So maybe you put the spoon in it and then you mix it. But what would that be? Fruit salad. That's it. Blue. Does Maggie need fruit salad to feel better? We just figured out Blue's clues. 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 'Cause we're really smart. Come on, Blue. Let's go ask Maggie if she needs. Let's go give Maggie some fruit salad.